Yes, it's possible to make $10,000 a month using ChatGPT with strategic planning and consistent effort. Focus on maximizing efficiency and automating tasks. Freelance writing, affiliate marketing, and creating digital products with ChatGPT can help generate significant income. Start by identifying your niche, setting up platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and promoting your services using social media. It could take a few months to build steady income, with consistent work leading to $10,000 a month within 6 to 12 months. Dedicate 20 to 40 hours a week initially, especially for freelance writing or product creation. But streamline efforts over time. Costs include subscription fees for ChatGPT, website hosting for digital products, and marketing expenses. Yes, you can create passive income through digital products like ebooks or online courses, leveraging automation. Maximize income potential by diversifying income streams, leveraging automation, and gradually increasing rates. While ChatGPT is powerful, other tools like SEO software and email marketing can help optimize your efforts. Challenges include competition and maintaining high-quality output, but dedication and strategy can help you succeed. With strategic use of ChatGPT, you can make $10,000 a month by offering services and creating digital products.